How to verify Venmo without SSN. Open your browser or Google and type Venmo verification. Click on Identity Verification. On the left, you'll see options such as articles in this section, identity verification and more. Scroll down to near the bottom of the page. Click on How do I verify my identity in the Venmo app. Follow the steps provided, which are: go to the Me tab by tapping your picture or initials. Tap the Settings gear in the top right. Tap Identity Verification. Keep in mind that you can only verify your identity through the Venmo app, not the website. Alternatively, you can visit the Help Center to contact customer support directly for assistance on verifying Venmo without SSN. By following these steps, you'll find the information you need for verification.